We just installed 2 of these fans right here, and the cool thing about this fan is that it has a rain sensor. So if you accidentally leave it open and it starts to rain, it's going to close on you. So it does come with a remote that will do all of this as well. So you just simply want to turn it on, open it up like that, automatically opens the vent cover, and then you just choose the direction. So if you're trying to let air out, let's say you're cooking, you want to suck the hot air out of here, or you're just opening it up for the first time, or if you want to bring the cool air in, you can flip the rotation. You can see that, and now it's going to change the rotation on you, and now you can kind of see that the air is pushing in. Now today's a hot day, so I'm not going to let this fan do what the AC is meant to do. So this is going to replace like our smoke fan. If you cook something and you get that smoke and you got to get out of that, that's what this is going to be for. So it's right in the main area of this trailer that we're renovating. So it's a perfect location for that. And then we have obviously another one like this. I like these so much that we picked up 2 of them. So this one's in the bathroom right here. So the exact same fan, same system. This is going to be your bathroom exhaust fan, and that one's going to be our kitchen fan as we're putting everything together in here. So again, can't go wrong. I mean, this is a quick and easy upgrade. To connect it, you just twist the power and then positive and negative with the wire nut, and you're good to go.